Nike Book 2 EP warning label arrives with a bold presentation that immediately stands out through its clay orange finish. The color is enhanced by a subtle metallic sheen that shifts depending on lighting, giving the sneaker depth and a layered visual effect. Constructed with lightweight and durable synthetic materials, the upper features overlapping panels that add structure while maintaining flexibility. Black swoosh branding on the side provides strong contrast and keeps the overall design balanced. Small scorpion-inspired lace accessories add a distinct detail that separates this model from standard releases. The midfoot webbing system and visible stitching create a wrapped silhouette designed for stability and comfort. Underfoot, the herringbone traction pattern draws inspiration from classic basketball footwear, offering reliable grip. As Devin Booker's second signature shoe, this model reflects his on-court style while honoring basketball heritage. Overall, it blends expressive color, functional design, and modern performance into one statement sneaker.